How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here with another Trias update. Now, an important one. I'm just going to quickly explain this down here when we were predicting that as long as we held this key area of support, which is our true support, the 1272, as well as that wick low, which is $12.30 and $12.46. Holding this area is key for continuation to our 1618 target at $26, and then past that, the all-time high very close at $32. We've also got this inverse head and shoulders over here with a technical target, so we're going to run through all of this today. Make sure you stay tuned and help me achieve 8k today or tomorrow. We're only 50 subscribers away. We can definitely do that, and yeah, just continue to support. It's really appreciated. Like, comment, and share it if you can as well. So going back to this deviation, we were essentially saying that if the 1272 holds and this wick support at $12.30, we will continue to this target. And so we need to find patterns that give us some further confidence, because yeah, we can just say hold this, we're going to that, but we need other things that are going to be in line with this and basically confirm our bias. So we lost the key level of support, which essentially invalidates this target, but very swiftly reclaimed it after meeting the $10 psychological level as our technical target, but also creating a wick down at $9.28. And if you remember from the updates during this period in January, we were suggesting that if we just continue to hold this wick, we will eventually reclaim the 20 moving average and see an EMA repel, which is a failed bearish cross. A bearish cross is when price loses the 55 and then eventually the 20 crosses underneath, forming a bearish cross, confirming a newly formed downtrend. At the moment, we're just correcting within an uptrend. And if we want to continue with the uptrend, then the 55 has to be the place where we, of course, then get a bounce and reclaim the 20 for continuation. We confirmed its support here, and we're doing so at the moment the past 3 days as well. However, even if we, as you can see over here, the last two candles, excluding today, closed underneath, this closed under as well. However, I wouldn't worry too much about the 20. We are consolidating currently. These are best used in trending markets, so we just want to look at horizontal supports and any other clues. So the 1272, we are, even though we're losing the 20 over here the past 2 days, it's still above the 1272 and above the support of this range. We were holding this as support, looking for bullish continuation, lost it, so we're not getting that bullish continuation, reclaiming it, confirming its support. So we're going back onto that bullish path. And so are there any further clues that would help us and pretty much just, yeah, help us maintain our bullish bias? So we have this potential inverse head and shoulders over here. I always suggest you guys to follow along with my Bitcoin updates. Sorry, I always suggest to follow along with my Bitcoin updates, because if we know what's going on over there, then we know what to expect on any altcoin. And the past few days, if you head over to my Twitter and follow me over here, thank you so much for 2.5k. Let's get this to 3k. And here is the giveaway, by the way. Enter, yeah, just check out the requirements to enter. But I want to take you to this Bitcoin update from 2 days ago on February the 5th. We can see over here, I was essentially suggesting there was an inverse head and shoulders here, exactly the same as Trias, but we will not get the moves up on those altcoins. We also saw some pumps on altcoins that got invalidated. So we saw a lot of bullish fake outs, bull traps, just over a day. But what we need for those to actually break out and confirm the breakouts is for Bitcoin to actually break the resistance, validating this inverse head and shoulders, and all the altcoins will be given the green light essentially. And today, although not confirmed because we need a daily candle close, we are currently breaking out. And so that's why we're already starting to see some altcoins actually going up, with Casper already up over 11% today. If you're not aware of Casper or you are interested, go check out today's update, because we predicted the move. As soon as it broke out, we were predicting a move, and it hit our target exactly in a matter of 2 hours. So absolutely incredible. You also know what the next step is after meeting the target. There's a second target a little bit higher. And so yeah, go check out those updates. We've been predicting everything so nicely, but again guys, it's all dependent on Bitcoin. And so now that Bitcoin is breaking out, although Casper is looking a bit lagged, sorry, not Casper, although Trias is looking a little bit lagged, it still has the opportunity while above $12.30 to break out. So I'm anticipating the breakout over here. So I have been DCAing, I was DCAing down over here, and of course in this range as well, because I just don't care about price. I'm always DCAing while Bitcoin is under its all-time high. I know that is early. Even if you're buying altcoins for the very first time at the all-time high, is still considered early. So from this current price point, we are expecting a potential move of 100% to our first target of $26. This is because when we hold the 1272 as support after rejecting the 1414, we're now looking to break through that, and so the direct next target becomes the $26 area. So that is our reasoning on top of everything else that we have explained today and over the last few days. So essentially this move down to $10 was a deviation. We've now invalidated that bearish scenario, and then we're back on the bullish one, just waiting for this neckline around the $13.70 area and $14.40 to be reclaimed for bullish continuation. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want me to teach you one-to-one over live calls, live video calls, then message me down below. I have some offers on that at the moment that include 2 months in my chat and my course that you have for the rest of your life. All included in the one price. It just depends how many hours you want of my one-to-one help. We do 1 hour calls, and in those calls you expect to pretty much go over everything that I know, the exact strategy I use in the, obviously, as you see every day in my chart analysis, but also I have some other indicators that you don't always see day to day that just further confirm the bias that I already have. So it's like an indicator that's just giving you confidence, basically. So use the links down below, take action on these discounts while they do last, and you can see the slots that are available on each offer. So we have a 3 hour, a 5 hour, and a 10 hour one-to-one mentorship offer if you want the course and the Discord community included. If you just want to try it out, there is a 1 hour mentorship offer. Someone's just taken action on that and they're having their call on Friday. So yeah, just private message me on Twitter or head straight to the website.